Greetings to all. Myself Maheshwari Krishna Kumar, Assistant Professor, Dr. SNS College of Education, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about method of teaching. Okay. So what is meant by teaching? Teaching is an art. So what is meant by teaching means teaching is an art and each teacher has its own unique method of teaching to about the particular subject. So method of teaching is generally divided into two, that is teacher-centered method and child-centered or learner-centered method. Okay, teacher-centered method. Child or learner-centered method. So, in teacher-centered method, teacher acts as the authoritative role and the students are the passive listeners. Okay. And in child-centered method, interaction takes place and the method itself helps us to make the teacher and students be interactive. So, this is an authoritative method and this is an interactive democratic method of teaching. So, teacher-centered method is of three types, that is lecture method, then demonstration method and team teaching are coming under this teacher-centered method. Okay, lecture method, demonstration method and team teaching. So, in lecture method, teacher is completely responsible and controlled all over the class, and in demonstration method, the teacher starts demonstrating certain things and the students just they are the observers. In team teaching, a group of teachers are taking over the sessions and they are sharing their subject content and they are giving it to the students. So here the large group of participants or the large group of learners are occupied here and the cost is very less. And then nobody is bothered about the students' mindset and all. Here the course completion is very easily done here. But in child-centered or learner-centered, different methods are available. That is laboratory method, project method, then peer tutoring method, and then individual activity method, experiential learning method, teacher-guided learning, and then problem-solving method, and small group, whole group interactive learning method, student seminar, group discussion and mixed ability grouping. These are the child-centered method. Here, the equal opportunity is given to the learners and the students can feel what is going on there. For example, in the laboratory method, they can touch and feel the apparatus, what it is available in the library. And project method, they can experience what is going on in the project and they are analyzing about the project and they are giving conclusions and interpretations based on their project. And in individual activities, they started doing their own activities, and in mixed ability grouping, one leader is there or one exceptional student is there. We can mix the group into average, below average, and then normal average students too, and the poor weak students too. We are mixing the group like this now. The exceptional student will motivate the others to come up in an excel way. Like the different learner-centered methods are available. Learner-centered method makes the teacher to handle the session in an innovative way and makes the learners to know what the content is. They can feel, they can realize and they can interpret that particular content. So, teaching method is chosen by the particular teacher based on the subject content, based on the level of the students, based on the need of the students for the particular class and based on the time availability of the particular session. So, the teacher acts as the instructor here and they can design the class in an innovative way.